been wondering lately. Oh baby, tell me where have you been? Now the stage is set, where's my Juliet baby? Is it maybe mine summer night's dream? What's my sin? What's my sin? What's my sin? Tell me what's my like a talent scout, always checking out new blood. Oh, I would if you tell me your game. Playing solitaire doesn't get me where you would. And honey, you could play any rules that you name. What's my sin? What's my sin? What's my sin? Tell me I got.
There you go. Alright guys, this is Friday morning. We are heading off.
Taking a break, gone into the desert. Let me show you something that you won't believe. Let me show you what a perfect wave looks like. This thing's been running for a minute already. I'm just going to catch the tail end of it.
Good morning, Mr. Crab. This is Uncle Code Red from South Africa. We've come all the way to Warpisdorp to find this natural phenomenon called a wave. It's a beautiful sunny morning here. I see you've already got your 6.0 under your arm there. 6.0, you say, Mr. Crab? It's pretty high expectations. I believe your lousiest wave yesterday was about 4.5 minutes, and I believe you spent most of that riding backwards in the barrel. Can you tell us a bit about it? You're still speechless? Yeah, I can imagine so too. Going 4 minutes in a barrel backwards, that'd be pretty mad experience. So tell me, Mr. Crab, what's life like in Warpisdorp? What actually goes on here? Yep, I can see you've set your flag up. There's no wind. You got your 6.0 under your arm there still. So what can you tell us about the conditions here today? Really? 5-minute barrels. Okay, sweet. That sounds pretty standard for Warpisdorp. Oh, really? The big-titted blonde, was she here yesterday too? Sounds like a festive place. Well, Mr. Crab, I'm not going to keep you. I can see those 5-minute barrels behind you. It's pretty special. And I hope you have a good surf today. And thanks very much for having us here in Warpisdorp, somewhere in the middle of Nigeria, left of Egypt. Thanks, buddy. Have a good surf. Some of these things are my living room.
This is a fucking sick. Look at this thing. Are you serious?